Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best motorcycle tire patch kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment a rider can carry, ensuring that a sudden flat doesn't bring your adventure to an abrupt halt, allowing you to quickly and effectively repair your tire and get back on the road with confidence, making it an indispensable tool for any serious motorcyclist who values preparedness and the freedom to explore. Number 5. BETOOLL Professional Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. Introducing the BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit, your ultimate solution for unexpected flat tires. This comprehensive kit is designed to get you back on the road quickly and safely. Inside, you'll find all the essential tools for a professional repair. From T-handle tools for easy insertion to self-vulcanizing plugs and a valve stem tool, it's all here. The heavy-duty T-handle design provides superior leverage, making it simple to insert the repair plugs. You can fix punctures easily, anytime and anywhere. This kit is perfect for a wide range of vehicles with tubeless tires. It's ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, and more. Built to last, this heavy-duty kit ensures you're prepared for any emergency. Trust it to handle your tire repair needs with confidence. Don't let a flat tire ruin your journey. With this reliable repair kit, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing you're always prepared. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for a wide range of vehicles. If you need a complete set with heavy-duty tools that can handle various tire punctures, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want a single kit to cover multiple vehicles like cars, trucks, and motorcycles. What people say. The tools all seem robust and top-notch. There are multiple straps inside the nice case to secure them in place. The kit is equipped with all that's needed to get the job done. The tools are built well and kit includes a small wrench to tighten tools if ever needed and spare valves just in case. The reamer to prep the hole is on the large size and the strips are very tacky and went in hold tightly for a good seal. Comes in a nice zipper pouch you can keep in vehicle for emergency repairs. It's compact, well organized, and the tools are sturdy and professional grade. Having this kit has saved us from costly trips to the tire shop, time wasted going back and forth, borrowing another car, or risking driving on a flat tire. Number 4. Grand PITSTOP Tubeless Tire Repair Kit. This kit is designed to work with all tubeless tires. It's perfect for your car or motorcycle, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. Forget about removing the tire or waiting for help. You can easily fix punctures yourself, saving valuable time and effort on the road. Its user-friendly and mid-size design makes it incredibly portable. Take it on long journeys without any hassle, ensuring you can always maintain your ride. Our advanced technology not only seals the puncture but also fills the injury path. This provides a reliable and safe solution for your tire maintenance needs. The plugs work like rivets, gripping the tire from the inside for a secure fit. This ensures a tight seal, preventing air loss and keeping you moving. Enjoy your journeys with confidence, knowing you have a dependable solution for tire emergencies. It's the smart choice for every rider. What we like. This kit utilizes mushroom plugs for a superior seal, making it excellent for motorcycle owners. If you're looking for a user-friendly, portable repair solution specifically designed with motorcycles in mind, this is the one. It's perfect for long rides where quick and reliable repairs are essential. What people say. The patches are very strong and durable, holding air well even after several hundred miles. The kit includes a variety of patch sizes, making it suitable for different types of punctures. The adhesive is strong and easy to apply, creating a reliable seal on the tire. Number 3. Boulder Tools Compact Tire Repair Kit. Introducing the Compact Tire Repair Kit from Boulder Tools. It's designed for convenience and comes with a durable mall storage pouch. This heavy-duty universal tire plug kit is perfect for your UTV, ATV, truck, motorcycle, or RV. It easily stores inside your vehicle. It includes everything you need for professional-grade tire repair on various vehicles with tubeless tires. Be ready for any adventure. Designed to integrate seamlessly with your overlanding gear, it ensures you can fix a tire puncture anywhere. Explore with confidence and continue your journey safely. This universal tire plug kit is built for both road and off-road use. Its durable tools provide reliable repairs in any situation. Engineered with elite quality materials, it offers long-lasting performance. It includes ergonomic handles and heavy-duty tire plugs for dependable use. What we like. This kit is built for adventure with its compact size and small storage pouch. If you're an off-road enthusiast or overlander who needs a durable, reliable repair kit that easily integrates with your gear, this is your best bet. Be prepared for any trail with this heavy-duty option. What people say. The kit stores easily under a seat or in the trunk and keeps everything together. Very good quality and includes quite a bit for the money. The bag is large enough to even add a sidewall repair kit from GlueTread for an even more complete all-in-one kit for off-road use. It's everything you need for on-road use. This kit has everything you need to quickly plug a tire and get back on your way. The tools are super sturdy and very well made, and the inclusion of the lubricant makes this the fastest tire plug kit I've ever had. Number 2. Vehiclex Essential Tire Repair Kit. Don't let a flat tire leave you stranded. This kit offers an emergency solution for tubeless tires, allowing you to repair punctures quickly without removing the wheel. This compact kit contains all the essential tools and supplies you need to fix tubeless tires. It's perfect for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, and even lawnmowers. Our tools are built to last. The durable steel T-tools ensure a safe and easy tire plug repair process every time. Keep your tires properly inflated with the included pocket-sized gauge. It provides instant and accurate pressure readings for both auto and bike tires. Everything you need is neatly stored in a durable zippered case. Its compact design saves space in your vehicle, and the mesh pocket keeps all contents organized. What we like. This kit provides essential tools for quick repairs and even includes a tire pressure gauge. If you're looking for a compact, all-in-one solution that covers the basics for cars and motorcycles, this is a practical choice. It's great for keeping in your vehicle for unexpected flat tires. What people say. It is fairly straightforward. I left the tire on the vehicle because the puncture was accessible and let out some but not all of the air in the tire. I removed the nail and got brisk airflow, then I used the reamer tool that took a decent amount of force to penetrate the tire. I then used the plug tool with the plug in it, and that took a significant amount of force to push into the reamed hole. In the end, hole plugged. I sprayed soapy water on repair and no leak. Holding 35 pounds of air pressure. It is a small and compact tire repair kit. I used it for lawn mower tires and it was perfect, easy to use, shipped quick, faster than Amazon Prime said it would, and had everything. I was skeptical, but pleasantly surprised at how easy it was to plug a flat tire with this product. Directions were clear, and the process simple. I found the source of my tire leak, a piece of carpet knife blade embedded in the tread, pulled it out, then followed instructions to score the puncture, pop in the plug, and snip off the excess. Tire is fully inflated and holding 1 week later. Number 1. V1 Motor CO2 Motorcycle ATV Flat Repair Kit. Don't let a flat tire ruin your ride. With this portable repair kit, you'll be back on the road in no time. It's incredibly small, measuring just 7.5 by 4.5 by 2 inches. It easily fits into your bag or saddlebag, so you can take it anywhere. This kit is perfect for a wide range of vehicles, including motorcycles, ATVs, golf carts, and even small tractors. Made with quality and reliability in mind, this kit is built to last. It's proudly made in Taiwan. We're V1 Motor, a small family-owned business based in Southern California. We're dedicated to providing you with essential gear for your adventures. What we like. This kit is designed for ultimate portability and speed with its CO2 inflation. If you prioritize a small, lightweight kit that can quickly inflate a tire after a patch, especially for motorcycles and ATVs, this is ideal. It's perfect for riders who want to minimize the space their repair kit takes up. What people say. This kit saved me on a trip to Canada. I got a nail in the rear tire in Toronto. My TPMS showed a very slow leak over a couple days. I managed to remove the nail and fix it in about 20 minutes at my hotel. I rode the bike from Toronto back to the Midwest and did not lose any sight during the whole journey. This kit worked like a champ. Excellent product. Repaired a flat motorcycle tire, caused by a nail, just last week with this kit. The plug held beautifully until I was able to get the tire changed. This repair kit is very well made. I haven't had to use it yet, but I am sure that it will work as anticipated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.